If you have a complex water challenge to deal with, Cardinal Strategies is here to help. Get in touch today to discuss their full range of solutions and make the most of their construction and engineering expertise. Services include biotechnical stream restoration, dam leak remediation, landslide remediation, and more. The company has long-standing expertise in understanding and fixing water-based construction issues. The Cardinal Strategies team strives to design and install the most environmentally friendly stream restoration projects. Anyone who is faced with water intrusion and erosion problems in their residential development is encouraged to get in touch. They're offering consultations to new clients, so don't hesitate to call. Learn more at cardinalstrategies.com.